Bring your awareness to where you are, where the body is, be it seated or lying down. Draw your mind's awareness to the body. Bring the mind to Vyahara. Let the senses be engaged with the breath, observing the flow of the breath, the touch of the breath in the nasal passage. Set the intention for the mind to relax in the body. Gathering the scattered pieces of mind back into the body. Let the gathered mind relax in the forehead, sensing a wave of relaxation in the entire body. Relax the gaze. You may choose to keep the eyes open or gently closed. Relax the area, the region around the eyes. Relax the hinges of the jaw, allowing comfortable space between the upper and the lower jaw. Let the shoulders relax with the gravity, sensing the wave of relaxation all the way to the fingertips. Relax the chest region and the diaphragm. Relaxing the abdominal space, the abdominal organs. Relax the legs all the way down to the toes. Let the mind relax in all the internal organs. The abdominal organs, the organs in the chest cavity, and once the body begins to relax, observe the evenness in the flow of the breath. Sense the evenness in the flow of the breath in the nasal region. Along with the quiet, smooth, even breath. Coordinate the mental recitation of the mantra Soham or your personal mantra. Let the mantra flow along with the feel of the breath. Smoothly, quietly, evenly. Both with the incoming and the outgoing breath. Sense that evenness, smoothness of the flow of the breath, of the flow of the mantra in the entire body. Like a gentle warmth cocooning the body. Bring awareness to the state of the mind. The sense of quiet. See how long you can stay with the sense of quiet, uninterrupted.